Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to deactivate your Instagram account temporarily. This is very easy. Let's jump right in. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. First of all, you have to open your Instagram profile. After that, you have to click on top right three lines. Here you can see you have to click on top right three lines. After that, here you have to scroll down and here you have to click on this account center at the top. Here you can see when you click on this account center button, now here you have to scroll down and here you have to click on this personal detail. After that, you have to click on personal detail. Now here you have to click on account ownership and controls. When you click on this ownership and control, now here you have to click on the second option. Here you can see deactivation or deletion. Click on this. When you click on this, now here you have to select your any account which you want to delete. For example, I want to delete this account. Click on this. After that, you have to click on this deactivate account. Select deactivate or delete account. After that, you have to click on continue. Now when you click on continue, now here you have to enter your Instagram password. Adding your Instagram account, you have to click on continue. When you click on continue, in this way you can deactivate or delete. Now here you have to select any reason for your account. For example, after that you have to click on continue. Now here you have to click on this continue icon. In this way you can deactivate your Instagram account temporarily. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.